Hey friends, if you keep on getting the error 127.0.0.1, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution to the problem. Now, before anything else, here's what you have to do. Switch off your modem, router and computer, all the three devices while keeping them connected. Now switch on the modem only the modem, not the other devices. Wait till the lights are stable, then switch on the router. Wait till the lights are stable and then switch on the computer, because this can be a case of an Apipa IP address. If this does not help, if this is the case where you have a modem and router combined, then switch on off the modem router combined and the computer, and then just switch on the modem router combined device. Wait till all the lights are stable and then switch on the computer. Okay, this done. If this does not help, the next solution will be to perform a network reset on your computer. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the network and internet tab, click on advanced network settings, select network reset and then click on reset now and finally on yes. Now why am I suggesting one solution only? Because the network reset means you're resetting the IP address, you are resetting WinSock, you're flushing the DNS and performing all other similar commands. One solution for all. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.